everyone, welcome back to another video where we will explore various counting functions in Excel. We will cover functions such as count, COUNTBLANK, COUNTA, COUNTIF, and COUNTIFs. If you haven't watched my previous videos on some alternate columns, SUMIF, and SUMIFs with autosum, as well as unique, make sure to check them out after this tutorial. Let's dive into each of these counting functions one by one. First, we have the count function, which counts only numerical values within a given range. When we select the age column from our dataset, it provides the count of numerical values. If we change the range to the name column, the count becomes 0, since it only counts numbers, not text. Next, we have the COUNTA function, which counts all non-blank cells in a range, regardless of whether they contain text or numbers. When we select the age column or the name column, the count remains the same, as it includes all non-blank cells. Moving on to COUNTBLANK, this function counts the number of blank cells within a range. Initially, the count is 0 when we select the name column. However, when we select the entire row, the count increases to include all blank cells. Adding data to the previously blank cells reduces the count accordingly. So it's important to ensure that you select only the required range or cells when using these functions. This ensures accurate and meaningful results. Be mindful of the data you want to count and choose the appropriate range to avoid any discrepancies. Now, let's explore the COUNTIF function, which counts cells based on a single criteria. By selecting the gender column and specifying the criteria as male, we obtain the count of male employees. To make the formula dynamic, we use the unique function to get unique gender values and calculate the count for each gender. Similarly, we can use COUNTIF for different criteria, such as counting employees by city. By changing the source to the city column, we can count the number of employees in each city. Lastly, let us discuss COUNTIFs, a function that allows us to count cells based on multiple criteria. We can specify conditions such as age greater than 27 and gender as male to count the employees who meet these criteria. By adjusting the criteria dynamically, the count updates accordingly. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.